I tested Canva's image to video feature and honestly I was not expecting these results. I took the same image and ran it 3 times, once with the random prompt I typed myself, once with the prompt I generated from ChatGPT and once using Canva's own auto-suggested prompt. 3 different input, 3 different videos and the difference between them actually surprising. I am going to show you all these 3 results in this video. Plus I tested it for completely different types of images: jewelry, a water bottle brand, a skincare product and a food photo. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome back. I am Krishna, Canva setter, Canva creator. I train corporate teams and individuals on how to build Canva workflows, create on-brand designs and get things done in minutes, not hours. Before we test anything, let me quickly show you where this feature lives inside Canva. Open your design in Canva, upload or place your image on Canvas. Click on the image to select it. Now go to edit on the top bar and look for the tools section. You will see a tool called image to video. Click on it. You will get 2 choices. You can let Canva AI decide the motion automatically, which is the smart auto option, or you can type your own custom prompt and tell the AI exactly what kind of movement or mood you want. This output is a 5-second video. That's it. Simple, fast, and you can regenerate if you don't like the result. Now here is what I want to test. Does the prompt actually matter? Does better prompt give a better video? Let's find it out. Test 1. Jewelry brand. First image, a jewelry brand called Varia Jewels. Fine jewelry, quite luxury. I created this image inside Canva using Canva's AI image generator, then added the brand name and tagline on top. The image has diamond necklace and emerald pieces placed on wooden surface. Very premium, very editorial. I tested 3 prompts on the same thing. Prompt 1. Random prompt. I kept it really basic, just typed slow zoom in, that's it. And honestly the result was not bad at all. The camera moved slowly towards the jewelry. The motion was smooth. It looked clean for simple prompt. I was not expecting this result. So even if you just typed something basic, Canva gives you a usable result. You don't need a perfect prompt to get started. Just type what you want to see and it will work like that. Prompt 2. Canva's AI auto suggested prompt. This time I let Canva read the image and generate its own prompt. I did not type anything. Canva looked at the jewelry, the wooden props, the warm tone and decided the motion itself. Now see the result. The motion is more cinematic here. It zoomed in, then zoomed out and added movement to the necklace itself. And if you don't like the result, you can regenerate it with just 1 click. Super simple. Prompt 3. ChatGPT generated prompt. I asked ChatGPT to write proper image to video prompt for premium jewelry brand. It gave me detailed prompt. This was the best of 3. The motion felt intentional, the depth, the pacing, the light, it matched the mood of a real jewelry ad. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. If you have a premium product, treat the prompt like a mini creative brief. Second test, this is where things got really interesting. These are social media campaigns, images I already had from previous project created using ChatGPT image generation for a water bottle brand called Velora. The image shows a male athlete sitting on tennis court holding the Velora bottle after a workout, bold energy, action forward. For the prompt I typed athlete is drinking water. That's it, very simple. And the result, the camera zoomed in on the athlete. He is drinking water exactly as shown in the image. The product, the Velora bottle, stayed exactly the same. The athlete's face, the outfit, the coat background, nothing changed. It did not hallucinate a different bottle or replace the character. It just brought the scene to life. It felt like a real sport brand video clip. Third test, skincare product. This is Dot and Key Barrier Repair Face Wash, a clean blue product image with water splash elements and ingredients call out on the side. Very clean, very product focused. The mood here is calm, fresh and clinical. The random prompt I typed was something like gentle movement, water feel. Result was okay. The image moved slightly with soft effect, nothing more. Canva's auto prompt here was interesting. It seemed to pick up the water elements in the background and created gentle ripple like motion effect. Last test, and this is the one that surprised me the most. The image, a guy sitting at a restaurant table, burger and fries in front of him. He is holding a cold drink glass forward towards the camera. Warm, vibrant tones, very inviting. I used Canva's auto suggestion for this one. The output He smiled, he leaned forward slightly, he brought the glass closer and took a sip. The camera zoomed in and out naturally. Not like generated video, not like slow corporate zoom. It felt like someone sitting right next to him at that table just pulled out their phone and casually hit record. How you can use this? So after testing this across 4 completely different image types, jewelry, sport brand, skincare and food, here is what I can tell you. The feature works and it works better than I expected. The auto suggest from Canva is a solid starting point. Use that first, but if you want output that matches specific brand mood, spend 30 seconds generating proper prompt in ChatGPT, you will see a clear difference. And the product consistency surprised me. The bottle stayed the bottle, the athlete stayed the athlete. For the brand content that matters more than anything. Now, who should actually be using this? If you are a freelance designer, you can offer video version of your static social media designs without learning video editing. That is a new service you can charge for today. If you run a small business, you do not need a video shoot for a product post anymore. One good image plus this feature gives you a reel ready video clip. If you are a social media manager, turn your existing post designs into short video clips and get more reach without creating new content from scratch. If this was useful, like the button, subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss next one. I'll see you in the next video.